Tired of drones that crash and burn? Get ready for a smarter, safer flight with our GPS drone. This baby comes with GPS Smart Return to Home, so it's like having a built-in homing pigeon. Worried about obstacles? Say no more. Our 4-way intelligent perception obstacle avoidance has you covered. And who doesn't love a good camera? This drone rocks a dual camera setup, including a remote-controlled 90 degrees big main camera, giving you stunning 720p HD FPV. Got a brushless motor on board, meaning smoother, quieter flights. Plus, optical flow hovering to keep things steady. With a 499.87 meter range and a 15-20 minute flight time, it's designed for maximum adventure. And did we mention the 4.5-inch remote control screen showing real-time video feed? Yup, it's got that too. So why settle for less? Master the skies with our GPS drone. Check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching.